Okay, today we have a Goodman 90%. That the common problem that we're seeing with some of these is this rubber boot was pushed up a little bit too high, and so the level here, and this is only on the horizontal installations. So what we're going to do is drop this boot down a little bit so that we get a downward flow through here, because otherwise we're building up water inside of the pipe here, and as you can see, we're going downhill through here, but then we start going back uphill through here, and so we're going to fix that. Goodman did send out a service bulletin about it, but it's one of the little things that you may find from time to time. I hope you like the video. As always, like, subscribe, and have a great day.